In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Adobe After Effects where your video playback is either slow or lagging. Now, the first thing we need to do is launch up After Effects, and inside of this video preview window, we're going to reduce the quality here. Usually people have this set to full, but we're going to reduce this to half, and this will lower the video playback quality, but it will improve overall performance. Now, don't worry about this affecting the final video, as this just affects the preview window here. But when you export your video, it will be full HD, and this won't reduce the quality to your final output. And if it still lags after changing it to half, we can also reduce this further by coming down to third. And the next thing we can do is come over to Edit in the top left-hand side, inside of Preferences, and we need to come over to Memory and Performance. And inside of this Memory section here, we need to reduce this number RAM reserved for other applications to the absolute lowest it lets us go, which for me is 3 GB. And that means I now have 20 GB available for After Effects. Now this might slow down your background applications when you're running After Effects, but this will definitely give you maximum performance when you're trying to edit your videos. So we can also come over to Media Cache from the left here, and we're going to increase this maximum disk cache size. Now I've already got mine set to 73 GB, which is quite a lot. And I'd recommend increasing yours to something similar to mine. Just make sure you actually have the space available before changing this number. Then come down to Clean Database and Cache and click this button, and then we can head over to the Previews tab from the left here. And you need to make sure Zoom quality is set to faster, and also color management quality can be set to faster. And we can then press OK to save all of our changes. And if that's still lagging for you guys, another thing we can do inside of After Effects is come over to Composition, and we can use this Add to Render Queue option. And what this is going to allow you to do is play back specific sections of your video with a completely smooth playback. Now, once you've made all of those changes, if that's still not fixed the issue, we can head out of After Effects, and we're going to come over to our Start menu on our computer and search for Run, and tap on the Run icon. And inside of here, you need to type in msconfig and hit enter. Then come over to the Services tab, and you need to select Hide All Microsoft Services down here. Then we can hit Disable All and press Apply and OK to save our changes. Now at this point in time, you'll need to restart your computer for all of these changes to take effect. And once you've restarted your computer, I'd recommend coming over to the Adobe Creative Cloud app and coming over to Updates from the right-hand side here, and just ensuring that you're running the latest version of After Effects. If you do see any pending updates inside of here, then we can just click this update button, and then that should fix any playback issues you're having inside of Adobe After Effects. Now, if you still are experiencing issues, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.